how-to guide on grid maps to help you ace the getting around section on the SPSV exam to become a taxi driver. First, we'll look at a map, then we will look at the street index, and then some example questions to go through. So without further ado, let's check out the map. So here we have the grid map here on the left. So when looking at the grid map, you want to start from the top, going from left to right. So you'll have the letters A, B, C, and D. These are the columns. And then from top to bottom, we'll have the numbers 1 to 5, and these are the rows. So for example, if we're looking for Kilbride Shopping Center, which is here, and it was what grid is Kilbride Shopping Center in, we'd go from A, B, C, count down, 1, 2, so it would be in grid C2. And then on the right here, you will have a legend. The legend is very important. Make note of the color of the national roads, which in this case is green and checkered white and green, and then the point of interest and their icons. So for example, the church is a cross, and then you can see here that in grid A5 there is a church. So at the back of the booklet that you'll given during the exam, you'll be given a street index. This is where you can locate the streets and which corresponding map and grid they are in. So the street index here, this is very simplified. The one in the exam is a few pages, but it will give street names, the map and the location of the map that they're on. So this is page 2, we only have one map, and then the grid that they're in. It will be alphabetical order from A to Z. So if we're looking here, we're going to look at Beach Place, so it's on page 2, grid C2. So we go back to page 2, we count across A, B, C, and then grid 2, C2, there it is, so Beach Place. All right, we'll do one more. So we want to look for Long Lane, which is on page 2, B2. So here we go, B1, 2, Long Lane's right there. So this is very important. So when you have a street on the exam, make sure to check the street index to see what page the map is on and which grid that street is in. This will help you minimize time looking for streets throughout the whole map. So this is very important. So now we're going to do some questions. So the first example question is, what grid is Kilbride Shopping Center mostly in? So we already went over this, but we'll do it again. So we go across A, B, C, and then count down 1, 2. So Kilbride Shopping Center, this is Kilbride Shopping Center. It's got the gift icon, which says it's a shopping complex. All right, so let's do the next question. What national road do you take from St. Angela's Hospital to Croke Gaelic Ground? Perfect. So we go here. So we know that the hospital is the red and white cross, which is here, St. Angela's Hospital. And we look around, so Gaelic Ground is here with the 2 sticks. So the Gaelic Ground is right here. So if we were in a car, we'd take a right, and then another right down Station Road, which you know is not a national road because it's yellow. So the only national road that we take is N5 here because it's a green road. So the answer is N5. Next question. The Garda station is on what street? So again, we are going to be looking at the legend and what the symbol is for the Garda station. So the Garda is the star. So we look on the map. It is here. So this is the Garda station. So it's on Main Street, which is a main road. So next question. Going from St. Angela's Hospital to Tower View, what 2 national roads do you take? So we know where St. Angela's Hospital is, but we need to find out where Tower View is. So this is when we use the street index. So we go back to the street index. So we look here, and Tower View's on page 2, grid D5. So the question is which 2 national roads we take. So we go first start here. So we go A, B, C, D, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we look for Tower View, which is right here. So then we know the hospital is up at the top here. So we go out, left on N5, and then left on N52. And then we would take a left on Forge Lane. So what 2 national roads? We know the national road is solid green, and the secondary national road is checkered white and green. So we are taking N5 and N52. And that is all for us today. If you have any questions, please reach out through us the manual, and we would be happy to schedule in a call or help you with further map questions or anything else you may need. Anyways, best of luck on your exam, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye.